Hi everyone, Judy here from Judy's Handmade Creation. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you like this video, hit the thumbs up. Today I'll be joining #embellishwithuswednesdays, hosted by Marianne at Marianne's Craft Corners and Raina at Lilo's Crafts. This is where you can make embellishments with your punches or die cuts or whatever you got. Use up some scraps or whatever. And today I embellished a card. And I tried to make this one look like a sunflower. And I'll tell you how I made it. I'll link another video down below with another flower that I use with this punch. This is an ektools, and it's the petal punch. It's a large punch, and this is the petal punch, and it's by EK Success, and it looks like this. That's the way it looks. It's got these different petals, and it locks. And here's the ones that they cut out like this. And for this card here, I used this color of paper. And all I did was, I used a large petal here. I just cut out the large ones. And I use this kind of paper. And I inked it up with this distress ink. That's how I got the color around the edges and made it look a different color. But it was this color. That's the back of it. And then I just curled up the petals. And for this here, I use one of these paper punches to punch out them little circles and just put it in the middle. And this here was scrap paper from a Walmart scrap pack that I got. This black and white striped paper. And this was a piece of scrap paper. And these are the stamps that I stamped. It's clear stamps by Recollections. And I used this one here. Just wanted to say. And it comes with all these different stamps, clear stamps that you can use for your cards. And this came from there. And I always use my always stamp it in here. That's how I stamp that on there. I stamp it in my Crafter's Companion. This is a stamping platform. I use that to stamp it, or you can use a little block. That's how I did that. And I use black ink here. That's what I use for this here, the sentiment. Just wanted to say. And I popped this up with some Pop Dots adhesive. The sentiment, that's right there. You can see where I popped it up. And then I just glued this down. And this was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 petals. The large petals that I punched out from here. I only used the large one. And I took a circle for this here. If you can see the circle there. I used this punch here. And this is a Friscar. It's a circle punch, and it's for thick paper or chipboard. I use that, and that's about how I made this card. And the card base is just 5.5 inch by 8.5 inch, and just fold it in half. And what else do I need to say? That's about all that I use. And this is an open collab, and it's hosted by Marianne at Craft Corners and Raina at Lilo's Crafts. It's an open collab. And this is what I embellished. I embellished my card, so I made a flower. And then I'll link another video below making a flower with this punch. I'll link another video below. And this is what I made. I always leave my cards blank so I can write a message in there when I send it to someone. And that's what I made. I think I covered everything. Thanks for watching. Make sure you get over there and check out their collab. And maybe you might want to join in. Thanks for watching. Be blessed. Bye-bye.